Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see, we are going to be doing September's Boxycharm unboxing. So I do have the base box and the premium box, and I'm going to be unboxing both of these together with you guys. Actually, no, I've already opened them and I'm using most of these products on my face, but I am going to be showing you guys how they work. So I'm going to unbox them sort of, and also like show you guys how they work, and basically tell you guys which box I like best, which is really hard because this month both boxes were freaking amazing. I love both of them. I am also going to add up the totals of each box for you guys, and they are insane. I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the base box. So this box, I believe, is $27 a month. If you guys want to subscribe, Boxycharm is a subscription. You do pay for it monthly. The payment does get taken out of your bank account every first of the month, which is amazing. So the base box, I believe, is $27, and then the premium box is $35. I get both of them, so I do pay for both boxes. You could either get both boxes, you can try out getting both of them 1 month and then seeing which one you like better, see for yourself. And then if you guys decide that you want to pay the $35 instead of the $27, which is not that much of a difference, you can also do that and just get the premium box and not the base box. So it just depends on you. So I do have a referral code / link for you guys. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, my code is always down in the description box. I do have that link down below all the time if you guys are ever interested. So let's just go ahead and get right into this because I'm so excited to show you guys everything that I used. This is Dixie. If you guys don't know, I know that I haven't vlogged in a while. These are my babies. Dixie, she's so scared. The next video that I do upload is going to be this whole full face of makeup, showing you guys like this tutorial or whatever. During this video, I am going to be showing you guys how the products from these boxes work on my face. But if you guys want to see like the this full makeup tutorial, then just wait because that'll be the next video that I upload. So let's get into it. So in the base box, it is this Glam Vibes only. There is 5 full-size products in this box. So the first product that we got was this Kate Somerville for all skin types. It's the Exfoliate intensive exfoliating treatment. Now I haven't used this just because, you know, I'm not going to like do it on camera or anything. This is just what it looks like. I'm super excited to use this just because I have mentioned to you guys before that my face has been hating me recently. I have like a huge dry spot on my forehead, on my chin. I still have those like hormonal patches. My skin is just freaking out still, and it's just not being nice to me. So I'm excited to use this exfoliator. I will update you guys maybe next month on how this stuff works. This stuff retails for $85, which is insane. So it says that you should see and feel instant results in just 2 minutes. So I'm excited to use this little guy. If I have bomb skin soon, it's because of this. The next thing that came in the box is this Hypoplastic Zion eyeshadow palette. So this is what this little guy looks like. It is a pressed pigment palette. This is actually the eyeshadow palette that I used on my eyes today. So I did use these colors here as well as this one and this dark brown one. I loved it. I am going to show you guys like while I'm talking about this palette. There is a lot of fallout. I did use the shades Canon, Maze, Virgin on my lid, that sparkly color, Grounded in my crease, and Vibration in my outer corner. I'm not a fan of this palette just because it had so much fallout and it kind of looked patchy at the same time. So I'm not... Would I use this again? Probably not. Like, it just looks really weird. I mean, of course, this palette is only $30. But I mean, if you're a beginner, this would be perfect. But I've used other eyeshadows that are more higher end. It could also be my skin, I have no idea. It's just I didn't really like the way that these eyeshadows laid on my eyelids. It's just the quality, I guess, that I wasn't a really big fan of. The next thing that we got in our box is an amazing product, you guys. I'm using this on my lips today and holy cow, this is the Hank & Henry Lip Love Luxe lipstick. For one, it's Hank & Henry, right? But you guys, my lips, it's on my lips. The packaging in itself is freaking amazing. Like, you push this here and it pops out, and then just, it's freaking amazing. It's beautiful. And just watch the way that it glides on my lips, you guys. It is so beautiful. I want to order more of these. And these lipsticks are only $18. Like, could you imagine like all the other colors? I thought this was gonna be like a maroon, like a wine color, but it's freaking red and it's beautiful. It's such a beautiful color. This is going to be like my favorite red lipstick for fall. The second to last thing we got was this Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara, black one, and this little guy retails for $24. I don't really know how I could show you guys I don't know, I guess like how, like if it works, because my eyelashes along with my skin have sucked recently. Like, I don't even know what's wrong with my eyelashes. I've been dying to get lash extensions or like a lash lift. So if you guys have ever gotten one of those, let me know how you guys like them. I feel like a lash lift would do me a huge favor. I'm also scared at the same time because just looking at how they like fold up your lashes looks kind of freaky to me, and I feel like I'm gonna feel like it's pulling my eyelashes out. So if you guys have ever gotten a lash lift, let me know if it hurts or not. But for the most part, this mascara was really good because it does have a thicker brush, and I'm just a fan of thicker brushes nowadays because, like I said, my lashes have just, they're dead. So the last thing that came in this box is this Billion Dollar Beauty Charcoal Beauty Sponge. I did use this little guy for my foundation as well as my concealer, even my contour, like to blend it out, even my highlighter. You guys will see another product in the premium box was a highlighter, and I did use this. It's so squishy, it's amazing. So this was $15, and that's pretty much it for this box. So this base box for this month totals up to $172, you guys, which is insane because these boxes usually are supposed to just total up to over $100, and this was almost $200. So that's just bomb to, like, you pay $27 for this box and you're gonna get $172 worth of products, which is amazing. Like, if you guys want to grow your collection, I would definitely recommend Boxycharm. So let's get into the premium box. So in the premium box, this thing is ginormous, you guys. It's bigger than my head. Let me show you guys what's inside the premium box. The first thing that came in this box was this Eloise A Queen Lies in All of Us, the Queen eyeshadow palette. This is what this looks like. I didn't use this palette for today's video. If you guys want to see a video of me using this palette, I will in the next video or whatever. But this little guy retails for $46, and my battery's gonna die. I really do like the colors on this one better compared to the other one, so maybe this one would have been better. I have no idea. This is the next product that we got, and this was amazing, you guys. The only sad part was that it's not in my shade. These are the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. This is the coconut gel highlighter. I'm so sad, you guys. I got mine sent to me in the shade 54 Tantalize. It's too dark for me. So what I'm going to do is I did tell my best friend, she has a deeper skin tone than I do. You guys can just tell that would be really dark on me. So I'm going to give this to her, and whenever she gets her Boxycharm, we're just gonna like switch products to see what she gets that I didn't get. And as soon as I told her that I had this, she was like, heck yeah, I do want that. So this is an amazing product. Like, just looking at it and how shiny it looks amazing. So she is going to keep that. And this little guy is $45 retail price. I'm so sad. The next thing we got is this Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. This is an overnight treatment. This guy is $55, you guys, and I've never used like overnight treatments or anything. It says that you're just supposed to warm a few drops of the oil between your hands and smooth over your clean face and neck, primarily at night for maximum effect. I don't know, it's supposed to increase moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, and it's an antioxidant protection oil. This is just what it comes in, so it does have a little dropper. I'm excited to use it though, to see what it looks like, because mama ain't getting any younger, and I feel like skincare has definitely been something that I've been getting into recently. My mom the other day got on me. She goes, have you been doing skincare, because you're not getting any younger and you don't want wrinkles? And I'm getting them already. Third to last thing was this Kitsch ice roller. You guys, this thing looks freaking amazing. So this is a roller that you put in the freezer. Obviously it's called an ice roller. It's ginormous. It looks like this, and you just like, oh, it's got like this it's got like, it's not metal. Is it metal? I don't know, but it feels cold by itself. So imagine in the freezer, and just like when you have sinus or something. Oh my god, I don't want to like do it all over my skin, because obviously I'm wearing makeup, but this is going to be bomb, you guys. So it says that you start treatment by rolling along the cheekbones towards hairline, slowly move upwards towards and around the eyes, roll from center of the chin outwards along the jawline towards the ears, roll up the temples and upwards over the forehead. So I'm excited. I'm so excited. Now that like the season is changing, the weather's changing, I suffer so bad from allergies and sinus headaches. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be like this all day, and like right here just trying to get rid of all that sinus pressure pain. This little dude was $18, so it's not that expensive, but would I buy it? Like, if I saw it, I'd probably be like, no, that's expensive. But because it was sent to me, of course, I'm gonna use it nonstop. The next thing we got was this Milk Makeup highlighter. This little guy, I used it today on my cheeks and I freaking loved it, you guys. So this is the packaging that it comes in. This stuff is amazing. Like, if you guys don't have one, I really recommend that you go out and buy one. This is $28. I'm pretty sure that they have more shades. I'm excited to see if they have any more shades. I feel like this one was perfect for my skin tone, and I got mine in the shade Lit, so I definitely love this. I'm probably going to use it a lot for like my everyday makeup, where I just put on like a foundation, I'm gonna put on concealer and highlighter, bronzer, and that's it, since it's so easy to put on. And then the last thing we got was this Marc Jacobs Beauty High Liquid Eyeliner. I got mine in the shade Black, and you guys, this eyeliner is bomb. I was able to do a really easy winged liner. The thing I love about this eyeliner the most is that it dries really fast. So it is awesome, because you're not even done like putting it on, but it's already like almost dry. So it's really quick to dry, but it's so easy to use. Like, if you're a beginner, this eyeliner is it. Like, it's it. And this is $27 retail price. So for the premium box, the retail price is $219, you guys, which is insane. I don't know, I'm not sure how much the premium box is supposed to like total up for. I'd have to check on that, because I'm not quite sure. But $219, you guys, for $35 a month, you get $219 worth. And it's not always the same. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more, but you do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full-size products in the premium box, and I got 5 full-size products in the base box. So there's not much of a difference, like based on like the amount of products that you get, because it's either 1 or 2 items more from like the difference of each box. But the stuff that you get in each box is never a duplicate, like you don't get it sent to you twice. So that is why I love getting both boxes. I'm paying like almost $60 a month for both boxes, but I got 2, 3, almost like $400 worth of makeup products for 60 bucks. So that is why I think I will continue to receive both boxes, and I also enjoy opening them up with you guys and showing you guys what's in each box and how much each box is worth. If you guys made it to the end, you guys are real ones, and hopefully I'll be back with vlogs soon. The next video that I upload is going to be this makeup tutorial, but we've had so many things going on, you guys. It's pretty crazy as far as emotions and my mental health. It's kind of crazy. So I did get these boxes the other day, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna put makeup on my face, I'm gonna sit in front of the camera, and I'm gonna film, and I definitely feel much better. So yeah, like I said, this is Dixie Ray.
How did you get her?
This is my little baby.
And look over Daddy.
Yeah, and Daddy's here in town, but he's at the gym.
He's so crazy.
We will see you guys soon.